Data privacy in AI. Welcome to the world of data privacy in AI. Discover the significance of protecting personal data and explore the legal, ethical, and technical considerations involved in safeguarding privacy. Definition of data privacy. Data privacy refers to the right of individuals to control and protect their personal information. In the context of AI, it involves ensuring that personal data is collected, used, and stored responsibly and securely. Importance of data privacy in AI. Data privacy is crucial in AI to build trust and maintain the ethical use of personal data. When privacy is prioritized, individuals are more likely to share their information, leading to better AI models and outcomes. Legal and ethical considerations. Data protection laws, such as GDPR and CCPA, enforce regulations for handling personal data. Ethically, organizations must consider the fairness, accountability, and transparency of using personal data in AI systems. Challenges in data privacy. Securing sensitive data involves robust encryption, access controls, and secure data storage. Anonymization techniques, like differential privacy, help protect individual identities while retaining useful information. Best practices for data privacy in AI. Data minimization aims to collect only the necessary data for AI processes, reducing risks and privacy concerns. Effective consent management ensures individuals have control over their data and understand how it will be used. Future trends and implications. Advancements in privacy-preserving AI, like federated learning and homomorphic encryption, offer promising solutions. These technologies will impact various industries, empowering users with enhanced privacy and control over their data. Conclusion. Data privacy in AI is a critical issue that requires collective efforts from organizations, governments, and individuals. Let's prioritize data privacy, protect personal information, and shape a responsible AI future. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.